Got them sipping on that juice and gin. You can find me in the background running that backwoods style and starting doing my two-step frontin'. Now I'ma tell you what them told me, homie. Just lose it and run with consequences. Advise this is fun for music. Now blend in with me as I proceed to break it down. It's always off the chain, man. When I'm around, I play the block bumping. It was all for the dough. I get the club jumping. Cause I'm sick with the flow. You know it's so loud. Like wherever I go, I chant back the show, man, that's for sure. I got the info, you